Hey guys, welcome back to Just Shake or Steer and another cocktail video today. My name is George and today I'm taking on the famous Bloody Mary with a variation which I really like based on tequila, and I like to call it Mexican Maria. So if you're ready, let's start making. Okay, Mexican Maria, like I like to call it, it's basically exactly the same like Bloody Mary. Instead of vodka we're using tequila. And also I want to introduce to you something really fantastic to use in the Mexican Maria, and this is the Mexican Sangrita. Sangrita, it's a very old traditional drink made in Mexico to accompany the Tequila Blanco. Usually Sangrita, the recipe it's totally lost, let's put it this way, in a original recipe, but people still making it and make their own variations. And some of the companies, like for example Rooster Rojo, they start producing their own Sangrita to go with their Blanco tequila. And I happen to have it because basically you can order it online. I think it's available in Master of Mouth or Whiskey Exchange, one of these two, and it's in UK it's cost around £8. I don't know, this probably is gonna be the equivalent in dollars. And it's fantastic because, as you know, the Bloody Mary use tomato juice and obviously some lemon juice, some spices, some Worcester sauce, and all these kind of flavors coming to the Bloody Mary. But with the Sangrita you can avoid having a tomato juice, you can avoid having all other ingredients, because Sangrita basically it's made from tomato juice, red peppers, orange juice, pomegranate juice, lemon juice, and other ingredients inside like a sweet chili. Everything it's mixed inside, ready to drink. Originally accompany the Blanco tequila, like I mentioned, and how people drinking it, they have a small glass of lime juice which they sip before they have a drink of the Blanco tequila, and after this clean the palate with the Sangrita, so to have ready for the next sip of the Blanco tequila. It's fantastic, it's going really well with the tequila, and also, funny enough, people using it for cooking. You can make a lovely pasta with this Sangrita. So it's a win-win situation, it doesn't cost much, and if you can order one for yourself, just open it, keep it in the fridge and just use it for cocktails, for cooking, for whatever you decide, or just drink it as it is, because it's absolutely fantastic. So Bloody Mary today. Originally Bloody Mary, as I said, it's using Tabasco, Worcester sauce, pepper, salt, lime juice, and all these ingredients. But with the Mexican Maria which I made, you can avoid most of these things because the Sangrita it's already have many of the ingredients and flavors inside. So today we're not using Worcester sauce, which I obviously have, but I don't think it's pairing well in the situation with the tequila and with the Sangrita. We're using green Tabasco. You can use red Tabasco, it doesn't matter, whatever you have. And obviously I'm not using a pepper and salt because the Sangrita it's already seasoned inside with salt, and also have the sweet chili which is bring enough flavor. However, don't be stopped by this. If you want to use the black pepper, if you want the flavor of black pepper and the aromas, feel free to use it. So let's make it. Shaker, or you can build it directly in the glass, okay? I will make it in the shaker. First of all, we get our Tequila Blanco. Now these bottles, they have a certain, there you go. You have to spin it one way to open the bottle. Very clever, don't know how they made it because it's just a simple cork, but somehow they made it. So use Tequila Blanco. I'm using Rooster Rojo, fantastic Mexican tequila, but you can use any tequila of course. And we're gonna go with double measure, okay? So this is 50 ml of Tequila Blanco going in your shaker. Then simple, get your Sangrita, give it a good shake before you're using it, obviously to mix all the chili and the pepper inside and all other ingredients in the mix. And you can use 2 double measures of the Sangrita. Look at how thick it is. It's absolutely fantastic. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells already like a Bloody Mary. But because it's made with tequila and because it's all Mexican, we call it Mexican Maria. So 2 double measures. Now when it's come to Tabasco, this is a personal preference, okay? Since the Sangrita, if you're using the Sangrita, since the Sangrita it's already seasoned and it's already have the spice from the sweet chili, you may don't need to put too much of the Tabasco. However, if you like really spicy, you can put, you know, to your own taste. I usually do 2-3 drops. That's it, that's actually one big drop. Because the green Tabasco, it's quite spicy, be careful with it. Then lemon or a lime juice. I do like to have a lemon juice with it. So I usually go around 15 to 20 ml. What you can do, you can squeeze your juice in advance, or I do prefer to have a fresh squeezed juice, which is half of the lemon, usually giving you around 15 ml, which is more than enough. Now here is the trick. I use olives for garnish, and not only for garnish, but I use them also for their juice. So just 2 bar spoons or teaspoons of the juice inside to give you this nice flavor of the olives, and then we're gonna use them obviously for a garnish. Now we need some ice. Just break a little ice. Ooh, going everywhere. Lovely. And what I'm gonna do with this ice, I just break it in two, just give it a nice good chunks of ice. Pop in your shaker and let's give it a shake. Ooh, lovely. That's a beautiful drink. It's a lovely, like, for a lunchtime before you actually have a nice midday meal. You can serve directly in your highball glass or any glass you have. I like to use a big glass because I like to kind of enjoy and have the flavors burst in my nose proper. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna strain it, I'm not gonna do any straining. Directly pouring in your glass. Drop the ice inside. And then you have it. Let's just drop all beautiful ingredients. Now, for a garnish, I like to use a fresh celery. And usually I like to use the one which is with the leaves on the top. First of all, it's look beautiful. Second, you can still have a little bite from it. So just put your celery inside and then a few olives. Again, personal preference. I like to have the olives when I'm drinking to have a little snack. So I kind of like to go heavy on the olives. 4 to 5 olives per drink, which is quite nice because, here you go, we have them. Which is quite nice because you can have your sip of the drink and then you can just enjoy an olive as a snack. And this is my take on Bloody Mary, like I like to call it, the Mexican Maria. There you go, guys, a beautiful drink to enjoy during the day or even if you want nighttime, whatever you decide. Cheers! Oh, this Sangrita is fantastic. It's have everything what you need to create a Mexican Maria, or if you're really fan of the Bloody Mary, just swap your tequila for a vodka and still use the Sangrita and you have fantastic Bloody Mary. My name is George, you watch another episode of Just Shake or Stir. Like and subscribe, guys. Leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see on the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, let's put it this way, let me know what you have at home. I know this time at the moment it's really hard because we are all locked at home, so the shopping it's not that easy like it was before. So you may be limited on ingredients. If you want to drop me a comment and I'll try to create a few cocktails with ingredients which you have at home. You maybe don't know what exactly to use them, so I'm here to help. Hit me with a comment and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, I love you and I leave you as always. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye.